So let's talk about some of the markers of success: money, fame, power. Fame in and of itself is not a bad marker for success. Not everyone who's famous is useful, and not everyone who isn't famous is useless. Why is there a small percentage of hyper-successful men who are willing to sacrifice everything in pursuit of that success? It's like if you intervene at the right time, you don't need to use power. Success is not a place you get to and stay. It also integrates the idea of the journey and the idea of the destination. And so there now you have a definition of success.